What's happening YouTube? It's Sean here, and I am back today to give you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the Pine Green colorway. These dropped this past weekend, September 22nd, for $160 or $215 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Pine Green, Sail, and Black. So these Pine Greens released alongside the Court Purple colorway as well, and here in Canada, these Pine Greens were more available than the Court Purples. I'm not sure if that was the same case in the States. I believe it was closer to 50-50 down there, but over here there was very few pairs to go around. So as a result, I was only able to get this pair, and I struck out hard on the purple colorway. So as for the shoes, there's nothing really crazy to say about these. This is in the same color blocking as the Bread Toe colorway that released a few months ago. Obviously, of course, the majority of the shoe is colored in this very deep pine green color. Starting things off, taking a look at the toe box. So as you can see, this is your standard Air Jordan 1 perforated toe box, but in this case, the leather used here is very soft and very high quality. In fact, all the green leather used on this shoe is top notch. Wrapping around the edge of the toe box, here we have more of a synthetic black leather. As we move towards the mid panel of the shoe, so here we have this off-white or sail colored leather, and this is also pretty good quality as well. This has a bit of a tumbled touch to it, and then overlaid on top of this, we have this black Nike swoosh. Towards the ankle collar area, on the lateral side only, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo debossed in black. And then turning these over to the back, so of course we have this overlay of green leather once again. As we move to the very top of the shoe, once again we have more of this synthetic black leather wrapping around the top ankle. As for the tongue, this is just your standard black nylon tongue, and at the very top we have this Nike Air tag. This is done in a combination of green and white. Overlaid on top of the tongue, we have your standard flat black laces, but they also come with a secondary pair of green laces. As we move on to the insole of the shoe, so this is a white colored insole with Nike Air branding on the heel in green. So the upper of these Air Jordan 1s sits atop this full-length foam midsole that's colored in sail. Hidden to the naked eye but found underneath the heel, we have this encapsulated Nike Air unit. As I turn these over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole. This is entirely done in this pine green colored rubber, and then we have this Nike Air branding found in the middle. From a sizing standpoint, so these fit exactly the same as all my other Air Jordan 1s, so in my case, I got these in a size 10.5. For most people, that means sticking true to size, but really I'd recommend trying them on if you can in store, and if not for this colorway, then any other colorway of the Air Jordan 1 to determine the best size. So with all that being said, now let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these pine greens look on feet. So really, at the end of the day, Jordan Brand has been releasing a ton of different Air Jordan 1 colorways. So there's really nothing too crazy about this shoe, beyond the fact that green is a bit of a rarer color to find on Air Jordans, and the fact that they use some pretty good quality leather all around the shoe. For me personally, I don't love green nor do I love purple, so getting either this one or the Court Purples were a bit of a nice to have, but they definitely weren't a need. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Air Jordan 1 Pine Greens. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and be sure to visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching this very quick video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.